Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Are you looking for a reliable solution to export DBX emails to PST mailboxes? Let's start by downloading the 4 and 6 DBX Forensics Wizard on Windows Supportive System. Now, run the application and open it. As you see, this utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. First, go to the Open tab and select an option from Choose File and choose Folder to load DBX mailboxes in the software panel. Pick the required DBX files containing useful information from the system and click on Select Files. Wait, the software is analyzing the DBX mailboxes. The tool lists all the DBX mailboxes in the software interface. Here, click on the DBX mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you see now, all the emails in the DBX folder are listed one by one. Now, click the email to view the message. This way you can preview the DBX email message with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. Now, let's understand the quick process to export DBX files into box mailboxes with attachments. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. Now, let's understand the quick process to export DBX files into PST mailboxes with attachments. Choose PST option from the multiple saving option list. Now, check the required DBX mailbox to save it into PST file format. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. As you see, there are many options available in the software panel. So, let's first understand them, and it is up to you whether you want to enable the option or not. The first is Open Folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. Skip Grayed Out Folders. This option will skip grayed out folders of DBX files. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Next is an Include Email Header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last option is Create Individual PSD for each folder. It allows user to make a single PSD file for a single folder. Enable this option if required. Recovery Mode. This option will repair your corrupted DBX files and folders. Now, finally, click on the Save button. You can see the live process of exporting DBX files into PST mailboxes in the software panel. If you want to test the utility for free, then download the demo edition of the software. It helps you view, export 10 DBX files from a folder to PST format. Now, Let's check the final results. So, open the resultant folder. As you can see, all the DBX mailboxes are successfully exported to PST format with all the properties and elements. That's all for this video. We hope you get a good understanding on how to view and export DBX files to PST mailboxes with attachments. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.